8 divided by 8, which equals to 1. Then 8 divided by 8, which equal to 1. Okay. Then 1 divided by 1, which is equals to 1. But this is not the correct answer. Okay. In order to get the correct answer of this question, we need to we need to divide from left to right. Okay. 8 divided by 8, then divided by 8 divided by 8. Okay. Here from left to right, we divide the numbers which is found in the left first, and next, and after that, this one is the final one. Okay. Then 8 divided by 8, which equals to 1. 1 divided by 8, then divided by 8. Okay. Then 1 divided by 8 means 1 over 8. Okay. Here is 1 over 8. 1 over 8 divided by 8. Okay. Then 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 8 means 1 over 8. 1 over 8 times 1 over 8, because division is a reciprocal of multiplication. 1 over 8 times 1 over 8 means 1 times 1, which is 1, and 8 times 8, which is 64. This is the correct answer. Therefore, the correct answer of 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8, which equals to 1 over 64.